Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a fade in and fade out on your audio in a CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, open your CapCut apps and add the video that you want to edit. And after this, if you wanna add a fade in and fade out on your video, so you just click on the video, click on it. And after this, at the bottom you can swipe until you can see extract audio. You can click on it and please waiting. Okay, and now in here you can see the audio and you can click on the audio, and in here you can see a fade. You can click on it. In here you can set a fade in duration and fade out duration. You can swipe left or right like this. Okay, and after this you can click check icon at the bottom and finish. So that's how to add a fade in and fade out audio in a CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment and subscribe down below. Bye bye.